Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just going to dive into SLP for Sunday 13th of February. So guys, SLP right now is kind of making a very positive progress based on the charts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the EMAs, and we can already see the 10 and the 55, they crossed one another. So today, if Bitcoin actually remains good, guys, you have to be very careful. If it comes to Bitcoin to start to dump to the downside, then this is going to be very bad. So my technical targets were met back in the videos that I made for the bull flag, and we nearly met the technical target. We went to the 40 instead of going to the 44, and that's where they actually decided to make this big red candle dump you to the downside, and potentially now you're finding support at this EMA, but you never actually came all the way down to retest this yellow line, which is a big resistance that was broken. So so far, based on the charts, yes, it's looking quite positive right now, but I'm gonna tell you one thing, that you have to be very careful of an ABC correction. What you see here might not be your friend. You might just be putting an ABC correction. So this could be your B, and a C, big monster C correction dumping you to the downside. Because watch the Bitcoin video update today, then you're going to understand why am I saying that this could be an ABC correction, and you potentially might be I will suggest you that this if you're looking right now, just take some profits if you are in profits. If you're looking for an entry, do not enter, wait for a nice good entry, because I do expect this to be an ABC correction. Because one thing I'm going to make clear is, because on the 4-hour time frame, you made this nearly like a first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, okay? And then from there you went for the this is the A, the B, and the C correction is the bigger one. Let me just give you this one in time, and this can go down like that, simple, and you might be trapped back in this zone. So if Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not looking good to me, Bitcoin has some correction pending, and it's gonna the SLP as well is gonna actually face the consequences. Now, why do I say this? If I was like, if you asked me, I would have been interested to buy SLP. Why? Because it's going down here and it's finding support at this trend line, and it's looking good so far. It broke out of it. That's what you want to see, exactly. But the problem comes with Bitcoin. Any bullish pattern gets invalidated when Bitcoin starts to dump. And by now, if you've been watching the channel, you might know about it. Anyway, so let's look at the ABC corrections. So here we are, and I'm going to show you how the ABC corrections looks like, and this is the Elliott wave theory that I want to talk about. So here we are, impulse during uptrend, and then the ABC corrective wave. So this is your cheat sheet, guys. What I say here has proofs. Everything has a proof. So let me draw this for you once again by hiding in the EMAs right there. So I'm going to remove the EMAs, and look, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. Here we are. And then you have this one like the A, the B. So B could be a little bit higher, by the way. It could still go higher. That's another possibility. You could still go higher at this point of time, and then from there you go down for the C correction, which is bigger one. Just look at this image, and that's the cheat sheet that I'm actually about to give you. So what you see as a green candle right now is not your friend. It's not, potentially not your friend right now, and you might reconsider about entering, and you might reconsider about holding it. If you're in profits, take out the profits. Of course, anything can be wrong, guys. Anything can be wrong. This could be invalidated, and you can still continue to the upside. You never know about crypto, but right now, unless it's not invalidated, this ABC correction is in play, and I'm actually going to leave this one right now, and then come up with the future updates as well, and talk about it tomorrow in tomorrow's update. So guys, that's it for today's SLP update. I do expect a monstrous C correction, just based on how I see the Elliott wave theory playing out, because this is the only pattern that is actually matching toe to toe with what you're seeing right now, the Elliott wave impulse theory. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.